Hi dear students, and welcome to chemistry classes. And we already know the previous concept, that is introduction of the organic chemistry. We can already discuss about the some basic terms requirement, in which two we already solved, and this is the continuation of the some basic term, in which third one is, that is the classification. Okay, classification means how to divide the organic compounds based on its structure. There are the structure ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ there are four important classification or four important types are present in organic chemistry. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾವಯವ ರಸಾಯನಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ branches ನಲ್ಲಿ it is first two important, that is aliphatic organic compounds. The name itself telling aliphatic means these are the compounds having open chain structure. Their structure ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಚೈನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ alkane ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, alkene and alkyne. These are the example. We can give the thousands of example, but how to identify the aliphatic? The compounds must be in a straight chain. ಈ ತರ straight chain ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is considered as aliphatic, and sometimes branched also. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿರ್ತವೆ. Those are also considered as aliphatic, but the condition is the chain must be straight and open. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬಾರದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬಾರದು, then it is called aliphatic. The branched structures you can be studied later part of this chapter. First it is going to be the definition. These are the compounds having the open chain structure. Example alkene, alkene and alkyne. These are the example for alkene. It is alkene and alkyne. How I am identifying? Ella kade single bond banditandre that is alkane. Name ends with the ane. And one the double bond bandide, therefore it is alkene. Name ends with ene. One the triple bond bandide, therefore name ends with yne. Antandre alkyne it is. What is the name in particular? You can study it later. Before that, how to identify alkene, alkene and alkyne is, ella kade single bond banditandre alkene, at least one double bond bantandre alkene, at least one triple bond bantandre that is alkyne. Okay, it is the details regarding the aliphatic. And next we can continue with the second classification, that is alicyclic organic compounds. Okay, alicyclic organic compound means these are the compounds having the ring like structure by using this aliphatic. Relay structures idala ive ring like structure na formation maditandre that is known as alicyclic organic compounds. Just you have to remember, aliphatic means open chain structure, alicyclic means ring like structure. Okay, ring like structures ke example yavadu antandre cycloalkane and similarly cycloalkene, cycloalkyne. Like that you can be write the three types: alkane, alkene, alkyne alle cyclo ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ CH2 ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ CH2 ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ CH2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, third carbon and fourth carbon. For a reference you can be named like this. It is 1 2 3 4. Then what is the structure you can be observed by using the bond line representation? It is simply a four membered ring like this. Is it clear? E carbon inda e carbon ge one bond ide one line, e carbon inda e carbon ge one bond ide one line, this carbon to this carbon one bond one line, this carbon to this carbon one bond one line. It is very simple, but the name of this compound, okay, e name ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, it is a cyclic formation. cyclic ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ring like ಇದೆ, therefore cyclo ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅದು 4 ಇದಾವೆ. therefore ಈ ರೂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಪೆಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಮೀಥೇನ್, ಇವು ರೂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. what is that root words? that is the next basic term. but ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is a 4 membered ring, therefore ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, therefore the name comes cyclobutane. ಇದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ cyclobutane because It is not a square. Mathematics alli idna square anta karibodu, but in chemistry according to the bond line representation it is cyclobutane. And similarly you can be continuing here, CH2 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 then CH2. What is the shape you are observing there? It is the 5-membered ring. You can be expect like this structure. Okay, it is the 5-membered ring like this. It is identified as a 1 carbon. 1 corner means it is a 1 carbon. Like that, what is the name of this compound? It is the cyclo, name as usual. How many rings? How many carbon atoms? 5. Therefore, it is a cyclopentane. Like this, it is the first 2 classification, that is aliphatic organic compounds, and next one is alicyclic organic compounds. Okay, after completion of the first 2 types, next one is aromatic organic compound. It is the third important classification of the organic compounds. Aromatic organic compounds. Okay, aroma, this word derived from the Greek word aroma means smell. Okay, it means why the name comes aromatic here? These are the compounds having the particular smells there. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯುವಂತ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆದಂತ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. That is the concept there. And why those are getting the smelling property? It is the definition here. These are the compounds having at least 1 benzene ring in them. Okay, at least 1 benzene ring structure ನಿಮಗೆ already ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ from the high school level. That is CH2 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 all the way CH2. But alternative one ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. Like this, it is the structure of benzene, and this molecular formula is also known. It is C6H12. It is C6H12. It is the molecular formula for this benzene. The same structure can also be written like this. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು? ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. Therefore, benzene structure ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ for PUC level this much is sufficient. ಈ 3 ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋ ಬದಲಿಗೆ simply you can write down the circle. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ that is the mention, that is the benzene. Therefore, benzene is the one of the example. Benzene ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ CH3 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು? ಟಾಲಿನ್. ಈಗ 2 ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is naphthalene. ಈ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಥಲಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕರ್ಪೂರದ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ that is due to the naphthalene. ಆ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಥಲಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is naphthalene. Therefore, these are the examples regarding the aromatic organic compounds. Therefore, organic compounds ನಲ್ಲಿ third type, that is the smelling organic compounds or aromatic organic compounds. Okay, last part or last classification of the organic compound is heterocyclic organic compounds. Okay, ಈ word already ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. heterocyclic means different ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. It means these are the compounds with the ring like structure and having the 1 or more hetero atoms. Hetero means different atoms other than the carbon. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ atoms ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ, for example ಈ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ those are considered as heterocyclic organic compounds. Okay, that is one of the example I will consider here. It is pyridine, not it is a benzene. Benzene ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, C6H12. But in this structure carbon is not 6. Carbon ಅಂದ್ರೆ atoms ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, only 5, because one place ಅಲ್ಲಿ nitrogen ಇದೆ. Therefore, carbon is 5 only, not it is 6. Carbon 5 ಇದೆ. Hydrogen ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 12 as usual ಇರ್ತವೆ, and 1 extra nitrogen is present. ಅಂದ್ರೆ C6H12 ಬದಲಿ C5H12N. Therefore, it is the formula for pyridine, and it is one of the example. Similarly, another one example, this is considered as furan. ಈ ಫ್ಯೂರನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1 2 3 4 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಈ ಪೆಂಟಾ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂರನ್. These heterocyclic organic compounds we are going to be studied in the higher classes. In the higher classes, it is going to be the study of in detail regarding the heterocyclic. But under the heading of PUC first year, just to know the classifications of organic compounds, that is aliphatic, alicyclic, aromatic, and last one is heterocyclic organic compounds. Okay, it is enough regarding for this session. And next time I am going to continue with some more basic terms after this classification.